Hello learners, welcome to our channel English Learning by Gyan. In this video we will learn the meaning of patient in English and Hindi with example sentences. Patient meaning in English is a person who is receiving medical treatment or able to stay calm and not get angry, especially when there is a difficulty. पेशेंट का हिंदी में अर्थ होता है मरीज, रोगी, घायल आदमी, धैर्यवान, धीर या संतोषी. Example sentences. The nurse attended the patient. नर्स ने मरीज को देखा. The doctor is very patient with his patients. डॉक्टर अपने मरीजों के साथ बहुत धैर्यवान है. Do you see patients on Sunday? क्या आप रविवार को मरीज देखते हैं? The patient is out of danger now. मरीज अब खतरे से बाहर है. Be patient and the situation may resolve itself. धैर्य रखें और स्थिति अपने आप हल हो सकती है.